Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it seems like the team from Next.js, they decided to drop the Next.js 15 just days before the Next.js conference. If you guys don't know me, my name is Alex and I've been a full stack developer for a while, and I've been working with Next.js since version 11. I feel like the new release is very interesting and it has a very much potential to help us in the developer experience. So let's just dive in and see. So Nextjs has been around for a while. It has helped us to build very nice, powerful applications. It's basically a framework built on top of React. You can call it a meta framework. It helps you with server-side rendering, static side generation. You can also build some very nice looking APIs with that. With the new Nextjs 15, they've done some changes that I'm really interested about. One of them is the caching semantics. This is something which is a little bit funny because they introduced this issue in Nextjs 14. Basically, you were forced into using their caching, and now you need to opt in into this route. The next change is the React 19 support, which is obvious because they were basically waiting for that to happen first. And Turbopack is the most interesting one for me because I've been waiting for this for quite a while, like since Nextjs 13 or something similar to that. Sorry. And the next change that I'm interested in is the enhanced forms, which is also funny because it basically goes us back to the old PHP era of building application, but it's better in the Nextjs. Okay, let's go a little bit more into those. Yeah, a nice thing that they added is the code mode CLI. Basically, if you want to upgrade your Nextjs application, it should work automatically. I haven't tested in a big code base, but I did test in a small application from Next 14 to Next 15. It seemed to work fine. I enjoyed it. Just give it a try and tell me if it works or not. Okay, so Nextjs 15 comes with an update on the caching. Basically, for the get and the client router, you wouldn't have the caching by default. Now you need to opt in into that if you want. You can use this configuration export dynamic for static. Basically, before it was like forced into you, and now you can just opt in into that. A very nice thing is that you can also do this, basically setting the stale time for whatever you need. They've also added the React 19 support, which is a little bit weird because React 19 is not yet available. It's on the release candidate stage, but it will be available pretty soon. It just got delayed for because of some drama with the suspense route, but it's good that they are going to handle that as well. And yeah, when this will be out, it will also come with the new React compiler, which is interesting. The next thing is the enhanced forms. This is a little bit funny for me because it goes back to the way PHP worked before, but I feel it's a lot better into the Nextjs side because you have all of the prefetching and the client's navigation, and this is something very interesting. So shout out to Alex Sidorenko. Basically, here you can see, I will also link this up down so that you guys can check it as well. It's a very nice showcase of how the forms work into this new change. Yeah, and also I saw something pretty nice to have, like you have the next config that basically was .js before, and now you can also add a TypeScript to that, so you can do TypeScript checking here. Yeah, so looking into this is a very solid update, and I also saw something that the team from Vercel were doing. Basically, they listened to the community. They saw that people had many issues when they wanted to deploy the application to other services than Vercel. And I saw Lee Robinson actually, I think he created some Docker images or something. But basically, they are also working into helping or teaching people how to deploy on other platforms if they want to, which is very nice to see. All along, this is a very good update, and I can't wait for the conference to come out and see what else they have for us. And I'm also waiting for the React 19. Yeah, also there has been a lot of drama on the WordPress side, and I feel like it's a moment where we can look into some alternatives. First alternative is that I'm also using on my side projects is Laravel. I really enjoy doing applications with that, and if you combine that with Filament PHP, believe me, you're gonna do very well on even as a solo developer. Another very nice alternative that I'm waiting for, and basically they're gonna go out with 3.0, and this is gonna be estimated in like 2 weeks from now. This comes with the Nextjs 15, and it's built on Nextjs. It's a very nice looking CMS, and I think I'm gonna do a demo on this after the update, so stay tuned. So as you can see, the React ecosystem is still evolving as always. Next.js came up with some very good updates, and I really enjoy working with Next.js. And yeah, I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any kind of questions or feedback, please do say in the comments below. See you in the next video. Cheers.